What is up guys, my name is Kunal, welcome to Kunal Builds. As you all know, this is my first ever YouTube video on this channel. So in this channel I'll be showcasing you guys what I do to fix my car, what I have to go through to make this car run every single day. And I'll be shooting like general maintenance videos, POV videos. For most of you know, I have this car for the last 3 years. This is my 1995 BMW 389, has M3 body kit all around, front bumpers, rear bumpers, side skirts, rear diffuser. So basically it's a stock car except for the body modifications. So I have this car for a little over 3 years now. So I bought it like last November 2022 I believe. And yeah, since I got the car, it's been my daily driver for the last 2 years. But after my accident, as you can see, I have this parked for almost a year now. So I haven't driven it, not even a single day. It's just been in my garage for that long. So finally I got the time, and I also bought an action camera from which I'm recording right now. So yeah, I'm gonna fix my car. Body work, it's gonna take a lot of time, but you know what? I'm not scared for no body work. So I gotta fix the hood, I gotta fix the front grille, I gotta fix the corner lights and the radiator subframe. And I'll showcase you guys every single step. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. Alright guys, let me walk you through the parts I need to fix this car. So let's pop the hood. Alright, for me to change everything, basically the front end, what I gotta do, I gotta take out the lights first. That one I already took out. I gotta take this out. I gotta take the front bumper out. I gotta take the cover off, which is already half gone. The front RAD support, this one right here. The panels from this side, this side. And afterwards, the aux fan cover. I gotta drop the radiator, which is back there, remove the fan, and I'm gonna drop the condenser for the AC as well, because for me to take this out, I gotta take the condenser out, which is somewhere down there. You can't see it really, it's dark enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's gonna take me one day to take everything apart. Look at the hood, it's been like cut through. Damn. Anyway, this thing is garbage. I even cut the hood rails out for me to open the hood. Just imagine how bad was it. So the parts I need to fix the front end for the car is, number one is the radiator support, which is this thing right here, which is the exact same thing, but this one is bent and it's damaged. So you can see everything's stripped apart. So I gotta take this off, replace with this one. I got it for $50, not too expensive. I have the front nose panel, which used to run along this side. It's not here anymore because I cut it all out. And I have the hood. It's in a backyard shed, so I'll bring it over and show it to you guys. I also got all the supplies and tools I need to fix my car regarding paint work, preparation and stuff like that. So first being the epoxy primer. It's a 2K and 2K clear coat. One of this, one of this. I also got the sanding stuff, which is the sand blocks right here. The different sizes. I also got the sandpapers right here. Some tack cloths and grinding equipment. Yes, the bumper is off, as you can see. It's gotta take. It's just so much crap. Alright, gonna take the bump stops off now. Easy. Take the plastic cover off now. Oh, look at this. So I gotta take the RAD support frame off. This one. That's my next step. And finally after that I'm just gonna take the headlight out. Alright guys, now I'll be taking out the hood latch system where it locks. This one right here. Alright guys, moving on now. The right side I took it out by taking the 3 bolts off from this side. So 1, 2, 3. Once I take the light out and just gonna put the light, take it out, disconnect the connectors. 1, 2 and third one right down there. After that this whole front nose panel should come out right easy. Alright, after taking all the bolts, these ones from this side, 1, 2, 3, and these 2 from this side, in here, one down there. Finally the piece is able to come out now. Thank God. That's what's left after the accident. So I got the replacement part, the front nose panel, which is this right here. As the next step is to remove the fan. So for this I got a whole front assembly. The fan should come on. So this, and this piece. Oh, this one. This, finally the fan is able to come out. So I'm just gonna pull the fan out. Let's see. Cool, just like that. And I gotta unplug the wire. Unplug this one. For me to remove the radiator, I gotta take the aux fan cover off by removing the 2 screws, this one and this one. After that, unplug the radiator clips from this one and this one. And just like that, it's gonna slide right off. Alright, I gotta empty out the radiator now by removing all the coolant from this one. So I gotta take out the hoses. One hose here, one here, and one down here. And everything's gonna drip down the pan right there. Alright, after all the coolant has been bled out from the radiator, all the hoses are disconnected. This one, that one, that's over there. For me to remove the front brace, I gotta take off the 4 bolts. These ones right here on this side, and these ones on this side. Then after that, this whole front X brace should come right off. And just like that, the bump studs are out. I gotta take off the condenser itself, this one, by taking off these 2 bolts on the top. Damn, right away. And just like that, the front brace is off. Right, so the front cover for the condenser is off. So for me to take the whole the front RAD support off, I gotta drill the spot welds, which is these right here, small hole. I gotta drill it through. The nuts are off, so it's pretty loose now. Loose from this side too. So I gotta drill a small hole this side, this one, and on this side. Let me get a bigger drill bit. This is not good. I'm gonna use this one. Let's see. Finally, the front RAD support is off. Oh my god, finally. Alright, the whole front end for the E36 is stripped down now, guys. This is the AC condenser, that's the AC unit, and that's a radiator. I gotta empty out, drain it. That's a transmission oil cooler. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so this is the used part that I got from the junkyard. Let's see how it fits now. Goes in there, and that goes in there. Stop bolt is here. Damn, it's looking good now. The fitment's perfect. I'll put the radiator clips on. This is gonna hook up in this, and this is gonna hook up in this. Bruh. 6, 7. Finally, the old hood is off. That's my new hood. Hood liner from my old hood. I'm just gonna put it on the new one, which is right that side. Slap this on and this. And this thing needs paint. So tomorrow I'll be starting painting this hood.